Hello guys, what's up everyone? This is my YouTube channel and this is my WhatsApp number. Any question and query, come on. So first of all, open Vmix. How to use lower third? I have 26 version Vmix lifetime and 28 version available now. First of all, click on add input button. I am making your lower third. Say sub your name and final lower third here, bottom live and top date and time coding, English text, live HTML and live without live lower third. How to add in Vmix? Click on title and next click on browse. This is your folder I will find. Click on live lower third and open lower third. Two lower third open, live without lower third. I add live lower third. This is your all file. First of all, time add. How to time add? Click on data source and manage button, plus icon, text button, browse. This is date time coding. Open. Just click on OK, not any other click site. OK, and data source text. OK, this is real time, my PC time. OK, next I add zoom text. Click on zoom text and same click data source, manage button and click on the plus button. Excel file. This is Excel and CSV file. I add Excel file. Excel like of Office Word. Click on Excel and click on browse button. I have already assigned you English HH. Click on file, open. OK, this is file add and click on auto next and I suggest 8 second, 8 or 6 second. Click on cross button and I add Excel file. Nothing add. Click on auto column 1. OK, and this is file add. You are see. So click on scroll. You are add any text like this. I going to news, today news. This news, copy and paste. Islamabad Ashad Nadeem like. So click on play button. So see your template. Any text change, this text change, going to final file and click on ing triple H file. I open Excel file. So I changed some text like I add something new, copy, Control V and something new, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control S, save file, Control S, save file. So going to check out place you are told about. See, Karachi gold price witness in both global. This is changeable text and live button. So this is your lower third. Same ad without live. I hope you are like our work.